To all of the ambassadors of love and light, human has been searching that peaceful happiness, and the art to that happiness, that unique instrument for that sound, to the source of what words cannot describe, but can be found deep in the hearts. Only by art, the expression is possible, at the heart of nature. Welcome home to SanatOpya. To unite with all soul human, to vibrate, to learn and facilitate, to share together, to cleanse souls, to reflect, to rebuild, and to grow and glow together. Conscious society. Conscious minds and hearts are the keys to gates of beyond words, to rebuild together. Pure nature is where the gates are, to share together, camp and recharge, right within mild wildlife, and to final evenings by feeding the soul with heartful melodies. See you all souls right within the stars. See you all at the new world of SanatOpya.